Hi guys, welcome to DerinsCorner. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button below. That's the red button. You can also click on the bell sign so you get notified when I have new videos up. Today we are going to be going to East Africa and I'm going to be showing you how to make a popular Swahili dish called Mandazi. Mandazi is a form of bread that's been fried. If you think of chin and buns, and then you think about the fusion of both chin and buns, then you get Mandazi. Mandazi is very popular in East Africa, especially in Kenya, Tanzania, and it's a very lovely snack that a friend introduced me to, and since then I really loved it, and I've also made it for various parties I've been to. But before we go to the actual tutorial, let's start with the list of ingredients. Thank you.